Ryanair passengers suffer worst flight ever after two men start fighting and spitting at each other on the way. Passengers on board a Ryanair flight from Edinburgh to Tenerife were caught in a tumultuous scene as two men engaged in a physical altercation in the ice, ultimately necessitating police intervention. The incident, which occurred on Monday, left witnesses describing it as the worst flight of their life. Video footage captured the escalating confrontation between two individuals, one dressed in blue and the other in grey, as they argued and spat at each other. Despite repeated pleas from the staff to return to the seats, the situation intensified with another woman joining the fray, launching an attack amidst a backdrop of disgust onlookers. The chaotic scenes reached a climax upon the plane's arrival in Tenerife, where local police officers escorted the disturbed passengers off the aircraft. The video showcases the men shouting at each other mere meters away from other passengers, with the man in blue accusing the other of being intoxicated. As the tension mounted, the situation took a violent turn with the man in blue assaulting another passenger, met by aggressive screams from the second man. The footage also captures a blonde woman further provoking one of the men, adding to chaotic atmosphere. In a disturbing moment, the man in blue attempts to headbutt his opponent, prompting gasps from fellow passengers. The situation deteriorates further as the woman involved attacks the man in grey before being restrained by the man in blue. She then directs her aggression towards the third passenger on board. Amidst the chaos, the man in blue repeatedly spits on his hand while being restrained by cabin crew members. The two men finally subsided when Spanish police officers boarded the plane, instructing the passengers to settle down and escorting the disturbed individuals off the aircraft. One passenger, Hannah, shared on Facebook that the altercation involved the woman's boyfriend and his friend. She recounted the blonde bird screamed the whole flight, and then her boyfriend and his brother all fell out and started fighting. According to another passenger, Nikki Swinton, the physical altercation erupted approximately half an hour before landing. Recounting the ordeal, Nikki expressed disbelief at enduring 2.5 hours of abuse before crew intervention, labeling it as the worst flight of their life. She further commented on the lack of action from airport staff, stating, "Got to wonder why Swissport allowed them to board at Edinburgh in the first place." Ryanair responded to the incident, stating, "The crew of this flight from Edinburgh to Tenerife called ahead for police assistance after a small number of passengers became disruptive on board. The aircraft was met by local police upon arrival at Tenerife, and these passengers were removed. This is now a matter for local police." Thanks.